Hi, good afternoon. My name is Daniela, and today I will show you and explain the traditional dishes and the drinks of England. So let's begin. The England traditional food and drinks. Well, let's begin about the food in Britain. The meal times, they have 4 main meals a day, okay? So the first one is breakfast between the 7 a.m. and the 9 a.m. And the second, the lunch between the 12 p.m. and the 1:30 p.m. The after tea between the 4 p.m. and the 5 p.m. The dinner, sometimes called supper, the meal, and eating in time between the 6:30 and the 8:30 p.m. The evening meal. So the meal times will have the breakfast, and the traditional breakfast consists of scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, red bread, baked beans, and mushrooms. So look the picture. So on the second we have the lunch. This typically consists of a sandwich, a packet of crisps, a piece of fruit, and the drink. The packed lunch is kept in a plastic container. Okay, next meal times. We have the tea. This is a small meal, not a drink, consists of tea or coffee. Okay. The dinner, a typical British meal for dinner is meat and 2 beef. We put hot brown gravy, like the picture. So the next, more traditional in England dishes, the roast beef and the Yorkshire pudding, the fish and chips, the chicken tikka masala, the fingers and mash, the shepherd's pie. And it looks so delicious, and the scones. Well, the British drinks. Okay. We have the beer, the traditional British beer, okay, the stout, the Guinness, the lager. When you order a beer, you may have a choice between a pint, half a liter, or a half pint, okay? Well, other alcoholic drinks, the shandy, the wine, the cider, the whiskey. Drinks are often mixed as gin and tonic, a whiskey, and coke and vodka and tonic. If how you want it. Some images of the drinks. And for many British people, drinking in a established part of their social life, going out for a drink is how they relax or spend time with friends. So thank you and goodbye.